What's up guys, it's Tanya, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make edible slime from gummy worms. If you are brand new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and become a member of my subscribers family. So I'll show you how to make this delicious candy slime. Let's go! For a start, I mix 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar in a bowl. I already made edible slimes with Nutella and with marshmallows. The recipes you can find on my channel. Now carefully mix these 2 ingredients. Looks good! Now we take out gummy worms. I bought 2 packs. They are so cute. And we put them in the microwave for 1 minute. It looks amazing! Such nice red color! I already want to eat these molten gummy worms because they smell very cool. Now we add to the red mixture our potato starch and powdered sugar and mix all the ingredients. Wow! Very beautiful! I like how it looks, but I think I need to add more white mixture. So I take 3 tablespoons of potato starch and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now again I add my white mixture to the molten gummy worms and mix. Oh, it seems to me that the slime begins to turn out. So we will add sugar and starch until the mixture stops sticking. Now mix our slime by the hands. If you want that slime to not stick to your hands, you need to apply starch. The color of my candy slime will be brighter if I'll add red food coloring. Oh yes, my slime is ready! I like this slime. It's very stretchy and so delicious. Don't forget to use starch if the slime begins to stick to your fingers. Guys, this slime smells like a caramel and cherry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!